Hello YouTubers. Today we're going to be doing a quick review on this Pittsburgh 40-piece socket set I got for $5 at Harbor Freight. Basically I went to the store and I saw this $5 socket set, wanted to try it out, see how it is. Maybe give it to somebody, maybe have it around the car as an emergency kit or something. Nothing that's going to be used every day, it's just for an emergency. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started with this review. It's a say and a metric, so it's a standard and metric. And there's the back. It says includes SAE socket size 11/16 to 532 and 8.1/4 drive socket sizes from 1/4, 5/16 and 3/8. Metric sizes sockets from 4 millimeters to 15 millimeters. 32 standard sockets, 3 8-point sockets, and 3 8 direct drive ratchet. Finger spinner, it's the little plastic, the blue plastic, and 2 3/4 extensions, 3/8 to 1/4 adapter. PVC case with clear view lid. And let's see, this was $4.99 at Harbor Freight. And that's what you get. Get a clear lid and some the box feels pretty good, actually. Feels pretty thick. So let's see how you open this. Oh, you push this, you push it and you slide it out, I guess. There you go. I'm gonna say the ratchet's okay. It's not too bad. It's a little loose on there, but I mean, for a $5 case, it's definitely worth it. I mean, it works. The ratchet's pretty good. I mean, it's got a good pull, so I like the shine, so it's shiny. Let's see how long. Oh, there's a I guess it goes down here. It's like a little, yeah, it's like a little helper. Little bit of grip. Helps you get more grip. Let's see. No name brand. No nothing. Just 9/16. No letters, no nothing. It's probably like a no brand type of deal here. I mean, the cuts are okay, I guess. And this goes into 1/4. And that's how you use it. Yeah, guess it looks pretty good. I mean, the edges are a little rough, the cuts, but overall it's okay. I mean, you're not gonna, you can see the inside of it. No letters. It's okay for $5. Here's the little ones. It's a good starter kit for somebody that's not a mechanic and just needs a little kit around the house. And or just throw it in the truck under the seat or something, and this should perform quite well. So this is my quick review on this Pittsburgh 40-piece socket set. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and also if you guys got any questions, feel free to leave me a comment. Thank you.